Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your default audience on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook and you can click on the three lines on the top right and you should see a settings cog again in the top right, so just tap on there. Once you're on here, you should see default audience settings near the bottom, so you just want to click on that. Then it'll just let you know choosing a default audience automatically sets the audience for some content that you share, but you can always change the audience for a specific post, story or reel. You can change your settings at any time. So below that it'll give you three options, so you can obviously click on public, then you can select next at the bottom and it'll just let you know what the default settings are, and you can also press edit settings at the bottom, which again I'll let you change certain settings if you want to do that on there, and then select done on the top right. And if you come back out here, you obviously have friends as another option, and again if you press next it'll give you the same layout, and you can obviously edit that as well if you want to do that. And then the third option is custom, so you can manually choose who can see what you share and interact with your public content. So you can just select next on there, and again it'll give you exactly the same options, so you can go through all of these. So who can see your post, and it ranges from only me to friends to public, and again you can go through all these different ones and then just select done on the top right hand side. Then I'll just let you know your default audience has been updated, and just select done. And that's how you can change your default audience on Facebook. Thanks for watching.